Hello viewers, welcome to another video. In this video, I will try to show how we can use one start switch, one stop switch and one emergency stop switch to control a single load. So I have taken a blank canvas. Here I will add first the make contact that will be connected my I1 input. It will be a momentary push button. Okay. The next I will connect the stop switch, which will be connected to I2 pin, and it will also be the momentary push button. Then I will use another emergency brake or emergency stop switch that will be the same like brake contact. It will be connected into the I3 and momentary push button. So these are the three switches we are using in this program, and we have one load. So this is the load that will be connected to Q1, and we will be using one make contact for Q1 latching. Let's take the value of Q1 relay. Okay, what other components we need? We want to show the message, so let's take a message block. We need to terminate this message block, so for that reason we will have to take a make contact that will take the message contact, and we'll need to take a flag relay. So this is the let's give it a value of flag M1. This is all we need for this program. Let's rename all the component and connect them. So this is our start switch. Okay, this is our stop switch. Okay, this is our emergency stop switch. Then we have our indicator lamp as a load. Indicator light. I think here we have put an enter. Then this is the message block, and these are virtual components, so we do not need to put name for them. So let's make the connections. Start to stop, this stop to here, then here, and I2 to I3, I3 to Q1, then SF to power, and SF to M1. I think this is all we need for this program. Let's get the simulation first before I upload this program into the system. Press F3 and this will bring the simulation diagram. Well, the message block is empty yet, so let's also do that before we go into the simulation. If we go to the message block, so at first I would like to show the time. Let's put the time here. Then start switch status. Let's put it from here. Then stop switch status, let's put it here. Let's realign them. Well, start switch is connected to I1, that is why it is digital input and I1. Stop switch, it is connected to digital input I2, so here we'll have to select I2. Then we have emergency stop, so E stop. So emergency stop, it is connected to I3. Well, this is not all. We need to update another thing. If we remember, when we are using stop switch, the stop was initially on, right? So when we press, it will turn off. Similarly here, this is initially turned on. When we press, it will turn off. So that's all for the correction. We can also add a star dot here, and we can also show the output, that is light is on or off. So it is digital output Q1, and initially it is off, and when we press it or when it gets power, it turns on. Okay, so this is all for the display program. Let's run it. Press F3. This will bring the display panel. So here you can see it is showing for logo display as well as logo TD. Well, you can also stop if you do not have logo TD. So display only logo display here, select that one and OK. Now press F3. So now you see the display is only for the logo display, not for the TD. Now we have two sort of switch. One is push switch. So this Q1, that is my indicator lamp, it is in on, it's in off state. So if you press this gets turned on. So here you can see, even I have released the start switch and it is in off state, my light is on. Now to stop this, you can press the I2 stop button. It will turn it off. Now again press the start one and it gets turned on. For example, there is some emergency situations in the system, so you want to turn off the load for emergencies, and for that reason we are using this I3 switch. So let's press that again. So it will also turn off the loads. Okay, so this is how you can use start switch, stop switch and emergency stop switch. Now you can see this stop switch is not a momentary button. For that reason we will need to change here. Go into the simulation and choose it as momentary push button. Now you can see this both are push button, and this one is the emergency buttons are stack lock, press and lock type switch. So if you press it, it will stay on, and if you release it, it will stay off. So that's how it works. So this is the program. I think you got a clear idea how to put this start, stop and emergency stop switch in the ladder. Now if we try to upload this, let's do that. From transfer, choose PC to logo. It will transfer the whole program to your system. Let's wait. You can edit or you can correct the correct IP address. You can do a test here if the system is connected or not. Then press OK. The PLC device is run mode. Do you want to stop? Yes, obviously. After that, the transfer is complete. Now it's saying there is in stop mode. Do you want to run? Yes, obviously. So this is all from the software side. Now in the next video I'll show how you can do the implementation of these devices into the hardware part. See you there.